Okay, this is part 2 of sharpening. Part 1 took a long time, so I'm making part 2. As again, I was at this chisel. I think it's sharpened. Yeah, there's not a lot of deep chips in there. If you don't know what chips are, I think I said it in the first video. It's like dents in the blade. Yeah, it's kind of sharpened. I think I can feel that burr. No, it's sharpened. Yeah. Okay. Now here's one of the things I never sharpened before was this blade for my hand plane. I haven't sharpened it because I haven't used it a lot, and just recently I have used it, and it has it has chips in it, I think. No, it doesn't. It just kind of dull a little bit, and I just want to sharpen it. This is a water stone, I think. It has two sides, fine and coarse. Coarse is to takes more material, and fine takes less material and makes it more nice looking. Let me take out some stuff out the coarse side so I can. Made a jig for it also. Again, I'm tired. It's the same day I made the part 1. It's just part 1 is too long, and I'll just make a part 2. Yeah. This is a water stone. It didn't tell me it was a water stone, because once I put my WD-40 in, it just soaked it up real fast. And I tried to put my 3-in-1. It stayed there for a little bit, then it soaked it up real fast. I didn't understand. I have like a bucket of water outside. I just put it in there for like 2 minutes, and like it got wet, and I started realizing it was a water stone. Yeah. I think I'm gonna soak it in the water for like 3 more minutes. Okay, I came back. I let it soak for like 3 minutes. And then I decided I'll just bring a container full of water, let it soak there, and take it out. And then if I don't want to waste my whole WD-40, so I just brought a container of water, and I would just put some water on top of the stone to lubricate it. Here it is. Water's kind of yellow. It was just a bucket of water. I guess it was rainwater. I'm gonna use the coarse side for what it is. If you can hear that, that's the window. I mean the door that opened, and it's a couple of steps up there to the house. Okay, I think Oh, I see that all this stuff. I think that's the WD-40. Let me soak it in the water. I think the WD-40 is coming out of the stone. Well, let's just sharpen. Gotta get another napkin. Okay. Wipe it off. Gonna sharpen it. Now, once you sharpen things, you gotta sharpen it on the the um, the angle is supposed to be. You can sharpen it flat like this. Let's get some water. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, let's go back. Let's continue. Again, this way. I don't think that has taken a material. Or for most people do on plane with their hand plane blades this way. Gotta put more water. So let me stick with the angle. Sharpen. Oops. I think I messed up a little bit. No. More water. Just sharpening. Soon on this will be sharp, I think. There's some rust or either dirt on this. I'll clean it off later. Yeah, it's kind of sharpened. Now let's go to the fine side. See all that water here? Okay. Okay. More water to get it lubricated. And then sharpen. Oh, wait. And then the other way. The reason people lubricate like their sandpaper, either their sharpening stones, because once you sharpen it, all the metal particles or dust will get in the air, and that won't be good. And it helps sharpen it too. Yeah, oh, that's extremely sharp. Wow. I'm gonna sharpen a little bit with my other. I think that's my chisel. But yeah, I don't think with the WD-40 it wasn't that good. So let me get another try. Let me do it with the fine side. Oh. Yep, taking material. Let me clean it up a little bit. Oh. See, cleaning it up. Yep, getting it sharpened and kind of clean. Let me do the coarse side for this to clean it up. Yeah, it's taking. Wow, there it is. I think these are the high spots. More water. If I put too much water on this wood, it would probably rot or something like that. And this jig is mostly just scrap wood. Gotta get another napkin. Oops. Okay. We're done cleaning it up. Let's sharpen it some more. Oops. Okay. Well, I don't. Let me show. Huh. Let me try some more. I'll be careful, you might cut your hands. And I just thought I cut one of my fingers, but it was just actually the dust particles. I mean the metal particles. I think let's try it out. Let's try it. Okay, with the small chisel first. Yeah. It has a little bit of improvement. I think I need to sharpen it some more. Yeah, I need to sharpen that some more. Now the bigger one. Oh, it is sharp to cut your fingers, but yeah, I need to sharpen some more. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Let me sharpen it. Okay, I sharpened it a little more. I think I did a good job, I think. Well, this is like my second time sharpening, but I sharpened with a sharpening stone, not a block with 120 grit sandpaper. I think it did pretty good. Oh. Let's see the bigger one. Yeah. It's not bad. Yeah. Kind of polished. Oh, gotta clean that up a little bit. Yeah. This is good. I just gotta practice and practice some more. Okay, this was sharpening chisels, well, tools part 2. Like and subscribe if you want more woodworking things like this. Woodworker Kid, signing out.